In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in MetaTrader5 web terminal. Let's get started right inside the web terminal interface. Make sure you're already logged in and looking at the main trading screen, where you can see your charts, symbols, and the general layout of the platform. At the very top left corner of the screen, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the menu icon or the hamburger menu. It sits in the upper left area of the terminal, right along the top bar. Go ahead and move your mouse to that icon and click on it. When you click this 3-line menu, a side panel or drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options that let you adjust how your web terminal looks and behaves. Take a brief moment to scan through what's there, just so you're familiar with it, but for now, we'll focus on the appearance setting. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Dark Theme. This option controls the overall color scheme of your MetaTrader5 web terminal. By default, many users start with a light theme, which means the background is brighter and the text is darker. Switching to a dark theme inverts that look, giving you a darker background with lighter text. Once you see dark theme in the menu, simply click on it. As soon as you click, the platform should switch over almost instantly. You'll notice the colors of your charts, panels, and backgrounds changing to a darker style. This can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially if you're trading at night or working in a low light environment. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or make sure the click actually registered. In most cases, it should be immediate and you'll clearly see the difference. You don't need to save anything or confirm the change. MetaTrader5 applies the dark theme automatically. After the theme has switched, take a moment to look around your charts and panels. Make sure the contrast feels comfortable, that price lines, candlesticks, and text are easy to read. If you prefer the original light style, you can always go back to the same 3-line menu and toggle the theme option again if a light theme is available. And that's all there is to it. By using the 3-line menu in the upper left and selecting dark theme, you can quickly customize